This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Thermostat replacement. Pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Lift the hood slightly, push the hood safety latch to your right, then raise the hood. Remove the hood prop rod and place it in the slot marked for the hood prop. Loosen the cable bolt from the negative battery terminal, then disconnect the negative battery cable. Position the cable aside to prevent accidental reconnection. Cooling system draining. Remove the expansion tank cap. Apply the parking brake. Chock the rear wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Place a floor jack under the center of the subframe and jack the car up until jack stands can be slid in under the sides of the car. Place a jack stand on each side of the vehicle, under the vehicle, and adjust the jack height until it engages with the proper jacking point on the unibody seam. Lower the jack until the body is resting squarely onto the jack stands. Move a large container under the radiator drain to catch the coolant. The drain valve is located on the lower right end of the radiator. Attach a length of hose to the fitting to allow the coolant to drain directly into the drain pan. Open the drain fitting and allow the coolant to drain into the drain pan. A pair of pliers may be required to turn the fitting. While the coolant is draining, check the condition of the radiator hoses, heater hoses, and clamps. Replace any damaged clamps or hoses. When the flow of coolant stops, tighten the drain fitting securely. Dispose of the used coolant properly. Disconnect the mass airflow (MAF) sensor and harness from the air filter housing. Loosen the hose clamp at the intake duct and disconnect the duct. Disconnect the tube from the lower side of the air filter housing. Lift up on the housing to work the mounting bosses from their mounts. Move a large container under the thermostat housing to catch the coolant. Disconnect the electrical connector from the sensor in the housing. Use a small screwdriver and pliers to lift up the radiator hose retaining clip. Disconnect the radiator hose from the thermostat housing. Remove the PCV vent pipe from the turbocharger and place the pipe out of the way. Remove the thermostat housing cover mounting bolts, then slowly remove the thermostat assembly from the engine, allowing the coolant to drain into the pan. Disconnect the bypass hose clamp and hose from the thermostat housing and remove the thermostat housing thermostat assembly from the engine. Clean the sealing surface on the housing. Place the thermostat housing gasket into the groove in the housing. Connect the bypass hose to the thermostat housing and install the spring clamp. Place the thermostat housing assembly onto the housing and install the mounting bolts. Tighten the thermostat mounting bolts to the specified torque setting. Install the radiator hose onto the housing cover, then press the radiator hose retaining clip downwards until it snaps into place. Connect the electrical connector to the sensor and the PCV vent pipe to the turbocharger. Connect the negative battery cable to the battery terminal and tighten the cable bolt securely.